Alright, I got some color on my skin. Yes. Yes, got some color on my skin. I'm looking really dark, and I know you're like, you know that's not your color. I know, but it's gonna get lighter once I put powder, so. Anyway, okay, so highlight, contour, all that good stuff. So we don't just gonna like put it on there. This is my concealer I've been using. It's, you know, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. So I'm just going to, you know what? This is to my color. To my color. So I'm going to use this right there, and then right here. So that's where I put my concealer, and then I'm gonna wet it. Gonna wet that sponge, and then blend that bad boy out. Okay, so you see how it's like super light? I'm gonna go in with like a light ivory. That's just for me because it is kind of, it's the same color as my foundation. I need to go to Sephora and get me my right shade, but I just like haven't been. So I'm working with what I got. Okay. So, and then my Kat Von D will brighten it up since it's, you know, it's yellow. So I'll be fine. And your setting powder. So what does that mean? This just like sets your concealer. It makes whatever you just put on your face stay on there. It makes you bright. Okay, so if you put white powder on your face, guess what? The area's gotta be white. Okay, so be mindful of the kind of powder you use. I'm yellow. I have a yellow undertone, so I like to use yellow because it, you know, it comes out. What's a good setting powder? I like Kat Von D. I use it on my dark skin clients. Or you can use a translucent powder. If you are going to use like a translucent powder that's white, don't bake with it. Just put it on and take it off. Just like I'm about to do right now. Or just press it into your skin. So, I'm just putting it in my skin. See what I did? You see what I did? And you don't need to be going crazy baking and stuff. You don't have to do that. It's only when you want to be snatched up. Crazy extra. Oh my goodness, the powder got in my nose. So, wherever I put that concealer, that's where I'm putting this powder. And I'm just patting it into my face with the cheeks. This is my new thing that I like to do. You don't have to do this part. This just makes my contour stand out more. And it's a little cheat sheet when you put that contour. So I haven't been using just trying to make sure these lines is, you know, together. I haven't been, oh my god, I haven't been like liquid. I haven't been like, oh my god, I haven't been. Does anything want to go wrong? Does anything else want to go wrong? Okay. So I haven't been using my contour stick, you know, when I be super extra with it, because I can't find it. And also, I haven't been like filling, you know, filling that way. You know, extra strong contour. I haven't been filling that way lately, so I just use a powder. Powder does just fine. Okay, I'm using my matte golden, refined golden. It's a bronzer, and I like to use this little brush right here. Oh my god, I'm so mad about it. I had a hairpin on there. Okay, so her skin on the picture is very golden. So like I put it like right there, right under your cheek. You can feel it. It's right there. That's where I'm contour. Put it all around. Put that color back on your forehead. Do this again. And with this, it doesn't even have to be like a super duper brown. You know what I'm saying? Like this, it's not super dark, but it's still doing its job. You don't have to be like super snatched up. The same pattern, I'm gonna just snatch my nose. You're going from the outer to your brows. That's why it shouldn't be super dark. It just, you know, a little snatch. You know, you can just snatch. You don't gotta be all snatched up all the time. I tell you, they be doing the most when I'm trying to film every time. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now I'm gonna brush this off. I like to use this powder and just dust it off. Oh, it's making me work today, huh? Okay. Okay, I see you. You just dust it off. Just getting rid of that harsh line. Putting everything together. Like I like the line, but I don't like the line. If that makes any kind of sense, please tell me. Like it, I like it there, but I don't like it like stupid dramatic. And look at this eye. Look at this eye. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. Oh my, it's just like, it's eating at it. This is my bum eye. This all started when I poked this eye with the mascara. So why is this eye watering? Like, hate it. This is really a trip. Taking Tarte's Glossy Lip Paint. This is also with my birthday gift. Don't be hating. Okay. That blush. Like a beauty blender is bomb. I like to put blush on my forehead. You don't have to. I think it just does something for me. And then she's really bronzy, so I'm going into a baking bronzer. Just like think of it like it's like this. I got it from Ulta. I just know that it makes me look super bronzy without it being like a highlight, because highlight, you know, will be way too much on your face. Don't put highlight on your face. Like I'm just going through right now. Like I really am. I'm trying to get through this tutorial. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm taking a highlight. This is from Jackie Aina's collection from Artist Couture, and this is La Peach. And with highlight, you just want to put it on your, you know, this right here. You want to put it right there. So when that light hit it, you know what I'm saying? It's like right there. Don't bring it over here. Just up there. On that cheekbone, girl. Yes. On that cheekbone. And then I like to make a C like that. You can bring it all the way up. Because why not? Bring it up like that. Not too crazy, just a little strip. As you can tell, it's not crazy highlighted. Yep. Oh, I hate when people crazy highlight their face. And then don't be afraid to like buff stuff in. Like, yeah, you can buff stuff in with your beauty blender. Don't be afraid to do that. And then my last little step, I guess, will be the highlight on my brows. And my brows. I don't like my brows today. It's not a cute brow day today. Not feeling these brows really. They're not my best, but they're not my worst. To add a little more of that white, just a little bit on my tear. Like, oh my god, my eyes get on my nerves. Alright. Ooh.